However, finally, the sun came up here, which is very powerful card of joy, vitality, success, and clarity. No? So this signifies a warm and very happiness and positive outcome. He's hoping for that positive outcome when times come. But despite the reverse of Page of Cups is here, clarified by the juggling energy to actually, yeah, there's an awkwardness on here. Parang he feels shy actually. But you got the sun here, no? Which is very beautiful. And there's a positive outcome. But despite of this reverse of Page of Cups here, which presents the sun, this is underlying a positive feeling or hope for bright, open, and connections with you. It could also a genuine liking or admiring you, even try to express it, a feel bit challenging right now.